The last video I did, I remember I introduced to you a liquidity indicator by Algo, and indeed the indicator was using the volume to really identify these liquidity zones, and so they tend to be very sensitive zones whenever you see liquidity with this particular indicator. I told you, for you to understand liquidity properly, you really need to know the market structure. Okay, so in this video I want to just make you, or rather demonstrate, how you can really combine market structure and liquidity to create your own trading strategy. Either it's day trading or scalping, you can use it the way you really want. So guys, all about demonstration right here, but if you feel like these indicators can work for you perfectly, you can actually use them. So guys, I'm just going to show you how you can really pay attention on this. I want us to focus mostly on market structure, simply because on market structure you will know whether the market is trending or rather the market is ranging, because the way you trade a ranging market is not the same way you trade a trending market. That's what you're really supposed to know. So anyway guys, I welcome you to Money Clues FX Education YouTube channel. Maybe it's the first time you came across my channel. I really welcome you. Kindly join us by subscribing to this channel, clicking on that red button, rate and subscribe, and definitely you'll be part of this amazing family, because I believe and honestly I know this is where you belong. If you're already part of this family, I really salute you. So guys, this is all about demonstration, and before I even insert the indicator, I'm using the indicator because I've had positive feedbacks about this indicator, and as well to those who've been watching my videos, I've talked much about this indicator. So guys, let me add the liquidity indicator and the indicator we're just going to consider to learn more about the market structure. Okay, so guys, let me add the indicator right away. Click on indicator tab. Once you click on indicator tab, you're just going to type liquidity swings Algo. Click on it. Once you click on it, directly go to settings and ensure the settings are correct. Make sure the swing area is on weak extremity. Click on it. Once you have confirmed all that, click on OK, and definitely this is how it appears right on your chart. So guys, this is what I'm really talking about. Whenever you see these liquidity zones over here, you will see the market really proceeding to the upside. So let me ask you a question. I want you to really see we cannot trade the ranging market the same way we trade the trending market. So for instance, right here, these are ranging markets simply because we have equal lows and we have equal highs over here, and that's why we have a trending market, because you can really tell this is a lower high, a lower low. You can tell all these. Algo has really differentiated by giving us different colors. In red, you see that's a bearish indicator of liquidity, and when you see this in green, that tells you it's a bullish indicator of liquidity. So on this green highlighted area, you should look for your buying opportunity, and on red highlighted area, you should look for your selling opportunity. Perfectly well, this is happening on a ranging market, but what happens on a trending market? So what are you really supposed to know? Whether to look for buying opportunity or rather to look for continuation. This is where market structure falls in place. Okay, so guys, let's add the second indicator right here. We're just going to use smart money concept export measurement. Click on it. We're just going to use the default settings right here. So guys, let me demonstrate something. When the market is dropping, when the market is ranging, here we have equal lows and equal highs over here. These are lower high and these are lower low. These are higher high and higher low. So on higher low, we're going to look for buying opportunity. On higher high, we're just going to look for selling opportunity. On lower high, we're going to look for selling opportunity. Lower low, we're just going to look for buying opportunity. On highs, we're just going to look for selling opportunity. So guys, we're just going to use this market structure. And what you're supposed to know about this indicator, before it forms all these, sometimes it repaints. So that's why I'm trying to describe all this. But what you can really do, you can consider at what happened in the past. So for instance, you can see right here we had a liquidity and it was lower low, so this can become a very sensitive zone right here, and you can see indeed it was a lower low and the market was really proceeding to the upside. When you see a green liquidity highlighted and there is a lower low, just execute your buy order. Okay, and so a red highlighted area showing you a bearish liquidity zone and you see a higher high, don't hesitate, look for your selling opportunity. Another thing you're really supposed to know, when the market is trending, let me just give you an example with what is happening right here. We have lower high and we have lower low. Okay, and so the lower highs over here, they tend to be respected and lower lows are broken below. So when you see a lower low over here and it is broken, okay, the indicator is actually even giving you a line. You should proceed taking your sell order, because that shows you a downtrend, simply because on downtrend the lower lows tends to be broken below, but lower highs over here tends to be respected. Okay, but when lower lows are respected, okay, that can really signify by a reversal or a potential move to the upside, like what is happening right here. Then you'll see a lower low over here, and there is liquidity. You can consider taking your sell order. And if you can look closely, this is happening most of the times where there is higher low, there is a liquidity zone, look for buying opportunity, a higher low, and there is liquidity zone, look for buying opportunity, a lower low as well. The same applies when the market is really rising. We have higher high and we have higher low. Higher lows tend to be respected and higher high tends to be broken above. So when you see a bearish liquidity indication right here, the price breaks above, just consider it as an uptrend. Okay, so guys, that's why I have combined this indicator to really make you understand the importance of understanding the market structure when you want to trade liquidity. It's very easy. It's like a liquidity trading strategy. Very easy, combining the market structure plus liquidity. It tends to be very accurate indeed. The only thing you need is confirmation. Like here, that rejection over here, consider taking your buy order. When you see a lower high over here, the only thing you need is confirmation and proceed with the trend. This is 2 hours time frame. You can check this on lower time frames as well, from 5 minutes time frame to higher time frames, and you can see still it is working perfectly. The only thing you really need is patience and see how the market is really behaving. Okay, so guys, this is how the market was really behaving, and you can see honestly when a lower low is broken, that tends to be a downtrend. So that's what you're really supposed to know. And as well, it's telling you on bullish liquidity indication, not necessarily you look for your buying opportunity, and on bearish liquidity indications, not necessary you look for your selling opportunity. You can be patient enough and see what the market has for you when you combine liquidity and market structure. This tends to work perfectly well, decently well, and perfectly well. Okay, so guys, let me hope you have learned something from this video. I wish you nothing but the best. Remember to test this on your live market. I've talked much about this smart money concept expert. I've tested it on live market, and there is something I really taught you about. So the only thing you really need right now is testing it on live market and see whether this liquidity indicator is working on real time or whether the smart money concept expert is working on real time. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to test the liquidity swings by Algo. I've talked about it in my previous video. You can check it out, and I'm just going to tell you more about that liquidity indicator. So guys, it was like I was describing, or rather trying to demonstrate how you can use the liquidity swings and the smart money concept for you to really execute trades. Not really smart money concept, but market structure. Remember, trying to know whether the market is trending or ranging. Okay, so guys, let me wish you nothing but the best. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to like this video. Turn on your notification bell, because this kind of content you really need as far as forex trading is concerned. So guys, what do I say? Bye bye. See you in my next video.